Okay, another package today. Okay, YouTube, this is your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're gonna be looking at this luggage carrier from a company called CrazyAnt. Alright? You know, just vacation time and you know, you need something to help you get around the airport, you know, on vacation, or just move stuff around the house. I think this will come in handy, alright? Alright. But first, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Cruise Reviews, back again with another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, YouTube, this is your main man Mark, back giving another video. And today we're going to be looking at something that's not some so-called tech, but you know, vacation time, you need something to get you around the airport, or you know, just move stuff around the house. I think this is what you need. All right, from a company called CrazyAnt. But first, let's get a few things out of the way. One, I'm not an expert. Two, I'm just a guy who loves tech and gadgets. And three, I just like to showcase new products I get right here on the channel. All right. Anybody want anything unboxed or showcase on the channel? Go down in the description box and give me information. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel. All right. It's easy. It's free. All right. Yeah. Let's get back to this right here. This is a little luggage carrier, you know, this come in handy like when you're moving stuff around. So you just want to move some boxes around the studio, or you know, move boxes around wherever you're at, or basically for vacation, you know, going on trips. This little mini cart will work. It's the CrazyAnt lightweight luggage cart. It'll hold 165 pounds, heavy duty flat folding hand truck with 4 wheels. Portable, small trolley for luggage, travel, moving, office use, and etc. in the black color. All right. I was looking at this. All right, let's see here. First, let's go ahead and let you take a look at it. So you got the 4 wheels right here. I don't know. They look like let's see here. Look like I got some scratches on there. I don't know if this was a turn or somebody. Look like I got a scratch on there, but you know, hey, I ain't worried about the scratches because it's going to be put to work. All right, moving boxes and stuff like that. You know, the packages, you know, what we get for the channel, moving them around the studio. So when we had to do all that heavy lifting, let's go ahead and it already has a bungee on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bungee loose and see what this is, see how it looks, and then we're probably gonna demonstrate moving the box around. Boy, this bungee is tight. Or man, I can't. Man, this thing is real tight. What is this? Oh, no wonder. It has a little plastic thing right here holding it together. No wonder it was tight. It wasn't moving. All right. So let me go ahead and cut that off real quick. Get old gold finger out here and cut that out. Oh, 1, 2. And I'm wondering, should I leave this on? But I'm gonna just take it off because I don't need it. So I'm took it off. So maybe it might have supposed to stay on there, but I'm taking it off so I can get this thing off. Yeah, that's much better, much better. All right, it's still something. Okay, they got it all twisted together. Let's see here. Let's get this thing out. Like it don't want to come loose. It want to stay folded. All right, let's go ahead and pull this bungee out of the way. Set it up. Okay. Get out of the way, bungee. Bam. Locks in real. You hear that? That's a nice sturdy lock. I mean, it's locked. It's not moving nowhere. It's locked. Okay. Let me see. You know, instructions come with it. Let me see how easy it is to fold this thing up. Okay, you gotta really put some force to fold this thing up. See, let me lock it back. It's locked in. And I gotta like, I mean, that's a good thing. That's a good thing right there. So you know, your stuff won't be all over the place. You got your little bungee right here to go on here. It's pretty cool. You know, got your little bungees on here. All right. Let's go ahead and take that bungee loose. Let's see here. Now I don't want to come off there. Then you got a little button up top right here to unlock the handle. See, right now the handle is not moving. So I press that button. Bam. The handle comes out, and this is locked in place. It's not going nowhere. All right, let me see if it's going higher. Oh, it goes higher. What? It goes higher. Man, I'm gonna have to. Do I gotta take measure? I'm gonna have to measure this. See how tall this is for the spec junkies out there. Let's see here. We're looking at almost 3 foot. But if you put it by the wheels, it is 3 foot. So wow, man. So I was thinking that was just it, but I didn't think about it, you know, because I ain't got to stand it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put this back down. All right. Let's just take another look at it. You got them 4 wheels down there. It feels pretty sturdy. What I'm gonna do is take it and use it, put some boxes on it, and see how easy it is. But basically, this is just a luggage cart. Ain't really too much to say. All right. Let's get some boxes. Hold tight. Okay, we're here at the job site. We got a little remodeling going on in the studio, but I wanted to give you an example of this, how handy this cart would be. You know, it ain't just for luggage, but you know, just moving stuff around your office or wherever you're at, or if you know, at a little small job site like this. So here we got a large rigid toolbox, which I'm gonna put on here and try to demonstrate how how to use it. All right, let me go ahead and take this off. Take the bungee off. You gotta be careful with this bungee because it's real tight. Alright, so let me get the let me go ahead and get the box. Strap the box on, make sure I got it centered. Alright. Then let's go ahead and strap it back down. Bam, it's strapped down. Bam. Too easy. Now, you know, instead of you want to lug around the heavy toolbox, you can just move it around the job site or move it wherever you got to move it. Or say you got a stack of, you got a couple of cases of paper for your office, like, you know, deliver the, you know, copy machine paper. Bam, this is easy. Look at that. The only complaint I say is that the wheels on the bottom don't turn. They just stay in one place. The wheels on the bottom just stay in one place. I don't know if you're getting that. They don't turn. See, I wish these right here would turn. Oh man, this thing. Yeah, I wish these things would turn. But other than that, like I said, you know, it rolls. You know, down. And then what you can say, it's just a cart. Alright? Let's go back in the studio and finish this video. Okay. We're back in the studio with the small little luggage cart. Or as they say, just folding cart or what have you. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can check out more information on it or get one for yourself. All right. Like I said, I'm not an expert, just a guy. I love tech and gadgets, and like I said, I'm a regular consumer like everybody else. But this is really something to come in handy. Like I said, when you're traveling, going on vacation, or like I said, moving stuff around the office. Like I said earlier, like you know how you get delivered. They deliver those big old cases of copy machine paper. You know, you got stacks on stacks, you got box on boxes. This is a handler right here. I mean, like I said, it's rated 165 pounds. Now, you know, I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what they're claiming. But I mean, hey, it's a cart. It's a cart. You know, like I said earlier, the only gripe I have is that these wheels on the front don't turn. They should have made these where they like turn. You know how the wheels be on the bottom of those chairs or some rolling carts or whatever. That should have been where these can turn. But you know, for what I'm gonna be using it for, just moving stuff around and then moving stuff around on the you know, on that little construction job we got going on, and moving stuff around, you know, office. This is good enough for me. It might even take it on vacation and use it on vacation. But other than that, it's a luggage cart. Like I said, it's easy. Where it's very sturdy. It feels like, you know, and you got to fold it. You got to put some force to fold it up. I mean, this fit anywhere. Let me see. If we fold it up, let me see what the size is. Folded up. Folded up, we're looking at just about 17, maybe 18 inches, and 10 inches wide. All right. It looks bigger on the website, but you know it's actually smaller than what it looks. But it'll do the job. So, bam, locks in place. Bam. You hear that click? You know this thing's locked. Can't get it to close. But yeah, like I say, you're in the market for something like this, go check it out. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box so you can go ahead and get more detailed information. So you can click on that link in the description box and go from there. All right. I appreciate you guys taking out time to check out the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. It helps the channel. It really is a great help. It's easy, it's free. All right, and I appreciate it. Like I said, there's nothing more to talk about. This is a luggage cart. Just a cart. All right. All right. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. All right. And the message for the day is, work smarter, not harder. All right, that's a message for the day, especially in this hot heat. Work smarter, not harder. All right, this is your boy Mark from Little School Reviews. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.